To replace the filter, cabin air filter on Honda Ridgeline or Pilot, open the glove box, push the little tabs on both sides of the glove box. The filter is located right there. Push the little clips on both sides. It comes out. As you can see, it's very dirty inside. Don't buy the cheapest one, buy like multi-layer filter. The airflow is gonna point down. It's gonna go like this. Make sure there's no gaps on the edges and just slide it back in. Clicks, it's all good. That just clicks back and you're done.